sir, please give me a brief introduction about yourself, related with your experience and your expertise.
Hello, I'm Dr. G. Nagappan, heading Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Saveetha Engineering College Autonomous. I have completed my UG and PG at Anna University, and I did my PhD with Anna University CG campus. And I have more than 2 decades of experience, and I have been with Saveetha for last 15-16 years. And the way in which we use our autonomy is the vision of our college. We try to make use of the complete autonomy, wherein we can create our own curriculum and implement that in teaching learning process with the excellent assessment curriculum to assess what is being expected from the student as outcome. And finally, we make sure he becomes a holistic engineer while he goes out. So the care we take on our learners, so we call the students as, right? So that's so important, and I am much more oriented towards that one. And with my idea and expertise on smart computing technologies, I try to build up several projects in which I involve all my students, and we try to create several products as well as publish papers and patents and so on, which is very much useful for the society. So that's what is the thing which we do here.
Thank you so much for your introduction, sir. So what are the best practice you offered by the department to the students which help them gain necessary skills?
Of course. So our department, coming under Saveetha Consortium of Future Technologies, the bigger umbrella. So there we have 6 departments actually: CSE, IT, AIDS, AIML, Cyber Security and IoT. So all these learners and faculty members come under SCOFT, that's how we call it, Saveetha Consortium of Future Technologies, have established lot of centers of excellences which all work towards the implementation of new disruptive technologies in the world for the benefit of the society. And we try to give hands-on experience of all such latest technologies, cutting-edge technologies to our learners, so that as part of curriculum they try to learn everything and try to make use of them for solving the real-world problems. So when they go out of campus, they become industry ready and immediately billable.
Thank you, sir. So, as you know, in this current situation, the competition is very high outside the market. So, how do you help your students to cope up with the current market situation?
Yes, of course. Our curriculum is designed in such a way that it contains all the latest technologies what is required in the industry. For making sure of it, in our board of studies and industrial advisory boards, we include experts from IITs, NITs and so on, and from industry. So all latest things which happen in industry or the need of the industry are being involved, and they are being included in the curriculum itself as part, so that the industry people does not require additional training to be given to students when they get employed in their company. So when they pass out, even before completion of their final year, they are being absorbed by various top-notch companies, and they get their salary even during their internship in the final year itself. So our fully flexible choice-based credit system, which we call it as FlexiLearn, is giving the students the opportunity to learn in their own pace by selecting the different subjects of their own interest. And if he's a good learner and he wants to complete his course within a period of even 3 years, so he'll be able to complete all his required credits within that, and he will be industry ready for placement even in its 4th year itself. And we also include all such online courses, foreign languages and even the theatre art, drama, some such multidisciplinary courses, whichever is required for the students as part of the curriculum itself, so that they get credits for even that one. So students need not take up any other additional courses outside in order to equip their skills. So our curriculum is completely skill based. All theoretical papers are combined with practicals. So mostly there is no such course like just they will learn and they will not practice. Even mathematics is combined with Python so that they implement, they see how maths is being used in industry really. And our physics, chemistry, all such courses which they would have already learnt in schooling are also converted here into applied physics, applied chemistry and so on, so that what they really will use in the industry tomorrow will be there in the curriculum which they will learn. So that's how we make them ready for the industry.
Okay, that's really great, sir. Like you're making the students industry ready before the placement starts.
Yes, even from the day one of their college admission, the employability courses start for them. They are trained in soft skill, aptitude and programming and all such things even from day one. The important thing is that the programming courses are being split into modules and they are being given across 1 year in 2 semesters and so on, so that if the student is faster enough, he can complete those modules within 1 semester also. If he has to learn it very well, then he extends that up to even 1 year and writes the final examination after that 1 year. So when it is a micro modules which are there, and for each module he takes up several practice questions and safe exam browser based examinations at college and passes each module. Only when he clears each module he goes to next one. So we make sure that there is mastery of learning which is happening. Without his learning, we don't make him to get pass, and even the pass mark is more than 80 as of now. So that we make sure the student learns it and evaluate it, and then we make them to move on to next topic.
Okay. So one last question, sir. Any suggestion which you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Of course, today's youth should not be getting diverted because of all such technology trends which are coming, and they should try to concentrate on what they are intended to. For example, when we get to first year students, we generally orient them on the first day, and while we orient them, we make them to understand that their passion may be different, their interest may be different, but because of their parents or relative compulsion or something else, they would have joined the engineering course, whatever they have chosen. But we orient them in such a way that whatever it may be their passionate areas, whether it is sports, drawing, to become doctor or fashion designer or anything, fine, don't worry about it. When you have landed here as engineer or to become an engineer in computer science engineering or related courses and so on, you can surely be in your passionate area. You can choose a project, a problem statement in that passionate area, and we will help them to do that. And once that problem, once he is choosing his subjects and learning everything to solve that problem, finally he learns everything to solve the problem. He solves that problem as a project, and he lands up as a solution provider in his own passionate area. And obviously he will get job in that area, and he will also be happy. So this is how we train them. We get lot of products, we get lot of patents, we get lot of inventions and publications as well. And he's also doing something which he feels happy. So obviously success comes to you only when you do things happily, and when you do things happily, obviously you will succeed. So enjoy your life, that is so important.
Sure, sir. Sir, thank you so much for your valuable guidance and your suggestions and your experience of 2 decades in the education sector, which eventually help the student to understand the mission and vision of the college and the department as well.
Thank you.